Oh, your pal's Chris now. Awesome. Wicked. Nice panorama. Ow, fuck. Ow. Peter Griffin. G'day ladies and gents, Full Face here, coming at you live and direct from Bunbury, Western Australia. How are we all doing today? Look at that van. That's cool as. All ratted up. Wanted to talk quickly today, really quickly, about technology on sport bikes. Now, I'm sure almost every one of you out there that rides or has ridden a sport bike will know exactly what I mean when I complain. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter that much, it's just a slight annoyance, but having to flap your wings just to be able to see out of your mirrors. What I want to know, basically, is why the hell, I can understand on the Ninja 250 why you wouldn't do it, but these BMW S1000RRs and Panigales and $30,000 motorcycles out there, why has no one put a rear view camera in the back of the bike and have it linked to each friggin' mirror? Why has this not happened yet? Can someone tell me? Or has it happened and I just haven't noticed it? But, you know, like, you'd think that's start becoming standard practice, you know what I mean? Like, I can't see shit unless I go like this, or move in like this, or... And like I said, I can understand on a couple of $1,000 learner bike. Yeah, sure, no worries at all. Guys can pay 40 bucks or whatever it is and get a mirror extender that extends this out a little bit if you're that worried about it. And I'm not that worried about it. But it's just, like I said, that many bikes there, well, there's some more vans, have problems with it. You know, you'd think you would see that a little bit more often. Check out these vans. So we seen one just before down at the beach. They're wicked camper vans. What they are is a small company in Australia that hires out camper vans to people like backpackers or anyone that's touring around. They get a discounted rate. And every single one of the vans is like painted in graffiti sort of style paint like that. Now, some of them are pretty damn cool. Some of them are really boring, but some of them are pretty damn cool like those ones. So yeah, that's what I'm wondering anyway. Why the hell do we not have rear view cameras in mirrors of $30,000 motorbikes or even $20,000 motorbikes? The technology's been around for a while. I know I can go down to J-Car, or which would probably be like your Radio Shack in the USA, and get a kit for my car for under $100 these days. Surely a manufacturer can put it in the bike. Surely. She was going to go then too. So that's today's vlog. That's Full Face out. And I'm gonna have a little call to action in this video. If you've liked the previous videos, you've watched a few, you've seen it about, if you like this video, please click the like button, click the subscribe button, and help me grow the channel a little bit. Thanks very much. Have a great day. Full face out.